Wouldn't it be great to have a tool available for free which you can use to create forms or questionnaires which people can then access on the internet, and in the background it will then complete or capture the data into an Excel spreadsheet. Now this is all available on Office 365, either as a subscribed client or for free just as a registered client. I will show you in my next video how to create these amazing forms which you can then use the link, send it to a client, and they can complete these forms, populating the Excel spreadsheets in the background. So how would you use Microsoft Forms? You might create a questionnaire for work or survey for work, the quality of the service that you provide to clients. What you do is you create this form, and within Excel the data is recorded in the background. You send the link to the client and they just complete the form, and you go into the Excel file and you've got all the data there available to download and do the analysis you need to do with it. Also for school projects, if the kids need to have some sort of questionnaire completed, it's an excellent tool to use. And even better, if you want to send invites for a function and you need to know how many people will attend, their contact details, it's a great tool to use Microsoft Forms. Now at the end of this video, in the right top hand corner, you will find a link to a video that I've created for you, and which will then show you step by step how to create these forms within Microsoft Excel. See you there.